ice, boy. Walk in, know that side, yeah. They can't tell me why. Word, I don't even need no lies. Ayy, got my own spy.
Hey, what are you looking at? Buy speaker. Buy what speaker lah? You buy me go back can liao lah.
Nah, that's why you work hard. Aiya, don't tell me lah. Last time hear Sifu say so many about speaker, make me want to get one also ma.
Just pick the big one lah. Big one should good one. Small one, cheap one lah. Nobody want to use one lah.
You also know small one not good ah. Yeah, not lah. I hear people say small and big speaker got their own good and bad lah. So now I also don't know what I want.
Chi, you're right. Small and big speaker have good and bad. Small speaker doesn't mean that is bad. Even though the big speaker not doesn't mean that's good.
Sifu, where you been last time? You suddenly disappeared at the car park. You see now I choose speaker, choose a new I saw headache. I also don't know what I want.
It's okay, I'm back. I will teach you once again.
Hello guys, welcome back. I'm one of your hosts, Zenchi.
I'm Huixin.
First of all, Sifu, wanna ask you, does all the speakers need amplifier?
Yeah, the answer can be yes or no.
Does it mean bigger speaker will need amplifier, smaller speaker does not need amplifier?
Oh, actually is okay. Basically, amplifier is the amplify the signal. So if you can add the amplifier to make your sound bigger, big dynamic, that means to say you got a big signal without distortion. Yeah, that is the amplifier. So if you didn't add the amplifier, so maybe your sound, dynamic sound will be less than what you have amplifier to drive.
So without the amplifier, it will be more flat lah. Is that what you mean?
That is not flat. Maybe the sound cannot go that loud. Even though you can go loud, but that is the including the distortion. Amplifier, one thing good is you can have a big sound, then less distortion.
Means you can go much louder than the normal ones than the smaller ones.
Yes, definitely. This is the amplifier function.
Actually, my car original speaker also got sound mah. Cannot achieve like these upgraded speakers mah?
Oh, different. Come, let me explain to you for the original speaker, for the OEM speaker. Normally there is a dual cone speaker and the magnet small, that is cannot handle so much power and handle big power. Okay, since you can see after if you change the aftermarket speaker, you choose the big magnet can handle more power, then you have amplifier to drive. Of course, you can achieve more higher bass. Compared to the original, that is a much different.
So we can more boom.
Hey, 这期 just now you say to buy, choose this one lah. I like this one leh.
But Sifu, I don't have budget leh. I can't afford an amplifier. But I want a speaker that can better than my original. How
Actually, you can choose the speaker, not like this heavy, but the speaker that is even though that is the speaker having a high sensitivity speaker, so you can get the more louder than original a lot.
Oh, so means I can without amplifier, but I can get a better speaker, so I can get a better and louder sound.
Yeah, due to the speaker, when their voice up, reproduce the sound already, the sensitivity is already high. So that's why you automatically you can hear the sound is loud.
Sifu, how would I know if I have chosen the right speaker for me? They all look the same, all round, black one.
Good question, because sound you cannot see. Let me go to here to listen it. Woohoo! Come, let's go. Okay, right now I show you that is the speaker with the quality, clarity quality. So then you can, after you hear, both of you see whether which one you like it.
So it's like we choose something, we not choose that we listen, then we know what we want, right?
Yes, that is the truth, because sound is cannot cheating your ear.
Yeah. Can you faster hear, Sifu? I want to hear now.
Come.
There's always gonna be a valley full of shadows, lonely nights when we have tears.
Wow,
we need
bro,
to
the sound just now was like, oh, so smooth. I like it so much. It's like, it's so suitable when you listen it while you're sleeping or you're alone. Because I don't like gathering people. I don't like too loud sound. But just now that one was like, it was so suitable for me. It was so nice, so smooth, the flow.
Reason why I want you to hear it.
But for me, I feel like I like something more with more bass, like more.
Oh, maybe this character is not for you. Let's go. We go to another one.
Oh, okay.
That's why I cannot explain in my word, but I can let you, two of you, to listen it. Then final result will come out.
We really experienced it. Like 𝐿𝐴 has experienced the gentle and smooth.
Gentle sounds.
And I actually like the now you know that our taste is very different.
That's true. All these you can choose. You can right choice the speaker.
Thank you, Sifu, for the knowledge and the wonderful experience we had today.
You're welcome.
So if you guys like this video, do remember like and share. People can contact and message what you want to listen.
Sure. Let's go.